smiling here. Daddy, smile. What do you say to your fans that are celebrating you? You wave to them. Hmm? So how are you?
Fine, thank you.
That is the first. So this is 92. This is Professor Anezi Okoro, 92, the author of One Week, One Trouble. You remember Wilson Tabo? Yes, this is the author. And he translated some of Shakespeare's works into Igbo language. Akuku for the Shakespeare there. And a whole lot of, you remember Hands of Young Doctor, and a whole lot of books. This is the legendary author, Professor Anezi Okoro. Very happy to see you. Happy 92th birthday. You will stay stronger and stronger for us. I will continue to celebrate you. Oh?
So there's no repeating at all.
No. No, there was a good. So, what's your name?
Innocent.
Okay. Get with ya.
Last year,